Figure AI is officially ramping up production of its next-generation humanoid robot, the Figure 03. And this could be the moment humanoid robots finally move from tech demos into the real world. The company says it has massively increased manufacturing speed at its BotQ factory, jumping from producing just one robot per day to one robot every single hour in less than 4 months. That's a huge leap for the robotics industry. So what makes the Figure 03 so special? Well, this isn't just another experimental robot. Figure designed the 03 from the ground up for mass production, home use, and real-world jobs. It comes with a completely redesigned AI system called Helix, which combines vision, language, and action to help the robot understand and interact with its environment more naturally. The robot also features upgraded cameras with wider vision, lower latency, and faster response times. Plus, it now has improved robotic hands with tactile sensors that can handle delicate tasks more precisely.
And unlike older humanoid robots that looked cold and industrial, the Figure 03 was actually designed for homes. It uses soft materials, washable coverings, wireless charging, and enhanced battery safety systems to make it safer around people. Figure AI says the robot can eventually perform everyday tasks like folding clothes, loading dishwashers, carrying objects, and even helping in factories or warehouses. BMW has already been testing earlier Figure robots inside production facilities. What's even crazier is the scale Figure is aiming for. The company reportedly wants to build tens of thousands of humanoid robots per year in the future. And honestly, this feels like the beginning of a completely new industry. Because if companies like Figure can successfully mass-produce intelligent humanoid robots, we could be looking at a future where robots help with daily chores, warehouse work, manufacturing, elderly care, and much more. The real question is, would you actually trust a humanoid robot inside your home? Let me know your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more future tech and automotive updates here on Future Wheels.